Hello everyone, my name is David, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove outliers from your data. As you can see in front of me, I have data on ID and age, and in the column for age we're having two values that are really huge. For age we're having 180 years old and 116. We know that the oldest person currently is 116 rather. So therefore we say that these ages are outliers and they need to be removed. So how can we do that? How we can do that is we're going to place a limit that any age that is greater than 116 must be removed from our data. And for us to do that, we can do that easily using filters that are found in Excel Power Query Editor. I have some videos on Excel Power Query Editor on how to prepare data to load it into Excel Power Query Editor and also how to use it. So you can go back to my videos and watch my videos on that. But still more, I'm going to do it now. So what we're going to do is to prepare this data to load it into Power Query Editor. We are going to turn it into a table by going on data. We'll go to data and then you go to that icon over there, which looks like a table, and you click it. The moment we click it, Excel will ask us to create a table. So as you can see, Excel has placed a range on the data asking us if we are going to have both of these columns to be available in our data. Now for me, in this tutorial, we are having age and ID. We want both of them to appear in our data. So we're going to click OK. So the moment we click OK, you'll notice that Excel is already preparing our data to load it into the Power Query Editor, as you can see. So this might take some time depending on the specs of your machine. And finally, our data is available. Now, for us to remove 180 or 116, or like we said, for us to remove in this data any value that is greater than 116, what we're going to do is we're going to use a filter, and for us to find that filter, we'll go on top of there in the column for age, and then we'll click number filters. So we'll click number filters and we'll go to less than or equal to. Why we are clicking less than or equal to? Because we are saying that we want to have only those values that are less than or equal to a certain value, of which in this case is 116. So when we click it, Excel will give us a dialog box where we can write 116 to specify that the only age that we want is the one that is less than or equal to 116. So we'll go there and then we'll type 116. Then we click OK. So the moment we click OK, you see that the ages for 180 and 160 have been removed because those ones are not less than or equal to 116. And there we are done. Now that we're done, what we're going to do is we'll go back there on top and click here where it's saying close and load. So the moment you click that, Excel will prepare a sheet where we have our data which has been cleaned. In this case, we have removed the outliers. So you can see Excel is preparing that, and there we have our table. You can see we're having the same table that we had in Power Query Editor, but it doesn't have all the values that are greater than 116. Thank you so much. I hope this process is easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also you click the notification bell so that any further videos you'll be notified. Thank you so much.